wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best welding gloves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with their 16-inch length, the rapicca blue extend past your wrists and keep you safe whether you're welding or tending a bonfire or barbecue. But they only come in one size, so if your hands are either very big or very small, they may not fit correctly. The lining absorbs moisture, and they're good for handling animals too. However, they're not as rugged as many. At number 9, the Westchester ironcat 6100 metal tamer are made from silicone, not leather, so they aren't your typical pair. For this reason, they may be best for quick light work or material handling only. The dotted palm does provide a good grip though. They're offered in sizes up to XXL and rated as Arc Flash Level 1. They can be washed in warm water. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the flame pattern and red and black coloring of the Lincoln Electric traditional MIG stick is sure to draw some attention. Inside each you'll find a liner that not only boasts heat resistance but also soaks up annoying sweat. The seams are reinforced with leather and the thumb pad increases their lifespan. However, they are a rather bulky choice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for welding gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hobart Premium Form Fitted are designed to be comfortable the first time you slip them on, and to remain that way as you continue to use them. They offer plenty of features to help keep you safe, including strong patches on the knuckles. They feel thick and substantial, and have large branded cuffs. But note that they're not for very large hands. Moving up our list to number 6, these John Tillman 50L have seamless forefingers, so there's nothing to painfully chafe you or negatively affect your dexterity. The 4-inch cuff gives you ample protection, while the elastic on the back makes for a secure fit. They're good value for the cost and sewn with Kevlar thread. However, the liner can shift and bunch. Halfway up our list at number 5, women tend to have smaller hands than men, so why should they have to use the same gloves? Thanks to the black stallion angelfire, they don't. This kidskin and cotton option offers a slim wrist and size is designed to fit the fairer sex. They feature an unlined palm, reinforced sides, and a stylish chocolate color. At number 4, the cow leather Miller Arc armor were designed for MIG and stick applications. They provide decent dexterity as well as excellent protection against sparks and exposure to high heat, which is of course precisely what you need them to do. They're equipped with flame-resistant wool-lined backs and are relatively durable. However, they are on the pricier side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the caiman deerskin measure an impressive 21 inches long, offering full coverage for your hands, wrists, and forearms. They have reinforced palms and cuffs and are sewn with Kevlar thread, so you won't have to worry too much about wear and tear. These come with a boar-hide pull strap, curved form-fitting fingers, and loops for clipping them together. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for welding gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a rugged cowhide option. The Steiner 23-inch protect you all the way up to and past the elbow. Their sturdy welted seams and high-quality materials can stand up to daily abuse, so you should be able to count on them for the long haul. They're equipped with foam-insulated backs and wing thumbs for dexterity. They're also great for tending wood stoves. And coming in at number 1 on our list, it's easy to see why the US Forge 400 are a go-to for many people. For one thing, they offer a reliable barrier without a big bulky feel. For another, they're affordably priced, so buying a pair or two shouldn't bust your budget. These are made with a comfortable cotton lining and strong locked stitching. They come in a high visibility blue color. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for welding gloves, or simply click beneath this video.